Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Hello viewers, my name is Stephen Kariungi and today we have a biology lesson and we are going to continue with where we reached the last time on the topic of classification 2. Last lesson we learned about the kingdom Monera. So today we are going to start on a new kingdom and this is Kingdom Protista. So in Kingdom Protista, we have two types of living organisms. First of all, we have Protozoa, and then we have Algae. So we have Protozoa, and then we have Algae. We'll give examples of a few Protozoa. For instance, Amoeba. Amoeba is a protozoa. We can also take an example of Plasmodium, is also a protozoa. In the case of algae, we shall take examples such as Euglena and Chlamydomonas. So those are the two examples that we shall take for each. So protozoa, we have things like amoeba. We know that we have some diseases that are caused by amoeba, such as amoebic dysentery. Amoebic dysentery is a disease that is caused by amoeba. We have a disease such as malaria that is caused by Plasmodium.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers,